Let's go over our basic stances in Tong Soo Do. The first stance I want to go over is front stance. So you have your feet apart, you have your toes facing forward, you're squared up, and most of your weight is on this front leg. You should be able to look down and see your knee over your toes. And if you step up, you see step it up, and you're in the same position. You should be able to look down and see a correct stance. You want to avoid bringing your feet together too close because then you are tight roping, and this can make you lose your balance easier. So make sure your feet are apart. You also have your back stance. For this one, your weight is mostly on the back leg. You are on the front part of your foot, your heel is up with that front leg. Your knee should be bent on the back leg. So if I step sideways, it should be just like this. If you are doing it correctly and you have most of your weight on that back leg, you should be able to pick up your front leg and move it and not lose your balance. And then you have horse stance, which is also called a middle stance in some schools. And what you are doing is, it's like you are sitting on a horse or an invisible chair. Toes are facing front and you are squared up with your knees bent.